I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm HYBASIA, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. And y'all, I'm in my backyard in Galveston. Just finished my live. I'm so excited about that. It was great. Thank you to all the people on live. Thank you for all the people that donated. I appreciate y'all. I'm grateful. You rock. You rock, y'all. And did I say you rock? Because of you, that HYBASIA house is getting closer and closer, as they say, slowly by slowly, brick by brick. It's gonna get there, y'all. It's gonna get there with more help from wonderful people like all of you. I'm gonna turn this camera around in a minute so y'all can see my backyard. I want to show y'all a little bit of an update of how the yard looks in Galveston. And then I will show y'all what's going on in Jambanjelly in the Gambia. Okay, y'all, this is my fig tree that I had since it was a little baby. Hopefully, it will give me some figs this year, y'all. I cut off all the unnecessary branches there that Mr. Bazi calls suckers, so I can let the tree leave figs like this to mature, hopefully, because it wouldn't be giving off all of this excess to the suckers. You know, the extra suckers, but hopefully I can get some more figs on these leaves here. But I did cut a lot of limbs off that might have stopped it from growing some figs this year. So hopefully we'll get some figs this year, y'all. I sure hope so. I love figs, y'all. Here's my other tree that I actually ordered in the mail during the isolation time when COVID first started. So it's a much younger tree. So hopefully it'll be able to give me some figs one day soon. It really didn't have a whole lot of excess branches on it, but I still may come back and cut some of them off that's on the bottom there that might be keeping it from producing, but we'll see, because I don't really want it to get really, really tall, and it's not that tall, so maybe I might just leave the bottom ones alone. We'll see. Whatever my mind tell me, I'm gonna try, because I'm just trying to get it to be able to produce sooner than later. This is my tomato plant. It's looking a lot tougher since I got rid of some of the suckers that was on it. I might prune it a little bit more, but let me see what happens with the tomatoes that's already on there, the flowers. I don't know what these are, y'all. We'll see once they produce something. It was just already in this container, so we'll see what happens. This is a tree, that's a flower that somebody gave to me. And this banana tree sprouted from next door 2 neighbors ago. Cut the tree down, and now you see the baby trees growing. They clone themselves. Banana trees clone themselves. They may not necessarily give you any fruit, but you'll get trees that'll give you shade and everything, and a nice breeze in the summer. This lettuce I actually bought at the nursery, already took some leaves off, and this is what you call, you just pluck and they keep growing. Every 2 weeks they say you can pull some more leaves off from the outside, as long as you leave the inside alone. Same thing with the cabbage, y'all. Got it from the nursery. I can take some more of the outer leaves off later. Hopefully this is my bitter leaf that's growing down here from this tree that looks like it died up at the top. Hopefully so, because I really like bitter leaf. It's good for what ails me, y'all. This rose bush in honor of my mom is growing really, really nicely. Sunflowers. It was already here last year, so just imagine it's an annual crop now, just like the boysenberry. I thought it had died, y'all. I cut it back a lot, and then it just started sprouting green, so I know it's alive. So now I know boysenberry is one of the things that's seasonal. So I got more boysenberry back there. And then I have okra growing around, as well as Okinawa sweet potatoes. I do believe that's Okinawa sweet potatoes. I think I actually leave them alone this year and start digging a few of them up later and see how they taste if I dig them up early in the year instead of letting them get big. This is the red okra right here. We got green okra right here. And in the yard, in the garden, I have green okra as well as red okra. So we'll see how strong they get in the garden. Hopefully this sunflowers will give them enough shade so they can grow and give them some support also while they're growing up.
Pere sami akule wande gunsa aku
because of society bunji
olof buñ gaay dega bobu la gaay adop def sen bopa olof te duñ olof lo la la nekk di wax interaction mo dégul ma
léegi yow gis nga kii fu mu nekk ah jigéen kene da fu mu nekk
come with us to Jambanjelly
moom lan la loo ko ooyee
American la
waaw léegi su nekkee fii mu nekk ba dégg laa koy Gambia fii nii loo ko ooyee na nga ko nekk
I have special love for this bed. Now, I have special love for this bed. If you look at them, they are very healthy. So that's why anytime I come, I find it difficult to go home because of this bed. So these onion salads are good. They are growing very well and healthy. Imagine it was a small area. If you go back to the first video, it was just like, that's what we are multiplying. And one day I hope, inshallah, we'll distribute more. Today I'm applying Excel also to them to give it more organic manure. Because Excels are very good, they are rich in calcium. Yeah, and then the plants, they need calcium as well. Yeah, thank you. Abaraka. See, this one is onion bulb. You can see the size of the cabbage. Yeah, so maybe in the future we'll make more onion. Yeah, but we have to work on pumping machine and then solar system. Yeah, for water. Yeah, generator is not easy.
So are you doing?
Yeah, pruning. So this should be on continuous base. Any tree that is growing bushy, we can trim it to give it a nice shape. And not only that, to allow the one that is growing to grow faster, you have to remove the side ones like this one. Otherwise, they are just like suckers. You give chance to this one. Yeah. So, and we want them to grow taller. So this why we have to remove the side growth. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Thank you so much. And all the dead leaves, yeah, we remove them. Okay. Last time I say just like makeup. Yeah. Before you go even out, you just put your makeup to make it beautiful. So plants are like human beings.
They also need
beauty. So this is why we do pruning, to give them shape and also to beautify them, to make them look even younger and even to grow more. Because if it is fruit before flowering, if you do pruning, you are encouraging more flowering. So automatically you are increasing yield. So this should be continuous. It's one of the agronomic practices that every farmer or every gardener should be doing. Very important tool for every farmer or every gardener, this shekaton. This one is very important because we don't want to use our own hand, push it. And Ramadan is the first month in the community where in the morning people could be tired, and then, so that's why today we do special work. We increase the size and the base of the plant so that you can put more water. And also whatever technically we need to do, like pruning, hard works, we did all that today. Generally, the team did perfectly. And inshallah, we will continue. And we are lucky also to have at least 3 donations. A donation from somebody who's a friend of Salif, 2 oranges and 1 mango. That's a plus. So anybody who can donate, keep donating. The best gift you can leave to the whole world is a tree. That I always repeat it. So generally, I'm only urging to my team, let's work harder. Success comes when you never give up. You always try, struggle until you reach what you want. And thank God we are moving to that direction. So I'm appealing to all of them to work harder as we started until we reach our destination. And here I want it to be a school. Yes. I have a permaculture garden, but I want here to be a permaculture school. Thank you.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed updates from Galveston as well as the Gambia. So until next time, y'all, peace, peace, power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.